Dear students, in this session, I am going to explain about the biodiversity. So, biodiversity means the variation of life at various levels of biological organization. Variations of life at various levels of biological organization is called as biodiversity. When we observe our surroundings, there are different kinds of organisms we can find. So they are vary in size, color, food habitat and living habitat, etc. So this variation is simply called as biodiversity. So biodiversity divided into three types. Biodiversity divided into three types. So first one, genetic biodiversity or genetic diversity. Second one, species diversity. And third one, ecological biodiversity. Diversity divided into three types: genetic biodiversity or genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecological diversity. So actually the diversity or the biodiversity word is used by bioecologist Edward Wilson. So here let us see about the genetic diversity. So the variation at gene levels, is called genetic diversity. For example, there are 1,000 species of mango are present in India. There are 1,000 varieties of mangoes in India. So actually the scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. But these mangoes are structurally different, as well as there are 50,000 varieties of strains of rice. 50,000 varieties of rice. So here the variation described as the diversity. So here another example, Ravolfia vomitoria. It is a medicinal plant growing in Himalayan. Ravolfia vomitoria is a medicinal plant growing in Himalayas. It has high potency and concentration to activate chemical. So that chemical name is reserpine. So this reserpine is used in treating of high blood pressure. treating of high blood pressure. So only in Himalayan regions, the Rauwolfia vomitoria has high potency and concentration to activate reserpine chemical, which is used in treating of high blood pressure. So this is called about genetic diversity. So genetic diversity means the variation at gene level of organisms is called genetic diversity. So next one, species diversity. Species diversity. So the variation, the number of species within a particular area is called species diversity. The variation of species within a particular area is called species diversity. For example, amphibians in Western Ghats show greater diversity than the Eastern Ghats. Amphibians in Western Ghats show greater diversity than the Eastern Ghats. So here the variation between the size, color and living habitat, etc. These are the characters are differ from Western Ghats to the Eastern Ghats. So it is the example for the species diversity. That means which species are living in a particular area, those same species differ from other organisms. Next one, ecological diversity. So ecological diversity means the variation at ecological levels or ecosystem levels is called ecological diversity. Ecological diversity means the diversity at ecosystem level. So here, for example, India has rainforests, deserts, mangroves, wetlands, estuaries, etc. So these are all ecosystems show greater diversity than the other countries such as Norway. So India show greater diversity in the estuaries, mangroves, wetlands, deserts, etc. than the other countries such as Norway. This is called ecological diversity. So ecological diversity described as three diversities. Those are alpha diversity, second one beta diversity, third one gamma diversity. Alpha diversity, beta and gamma ecological diversities. So here alpha diversity, it measures the number of species in a particular ecosystem. It measures the number of ecosystem in a particular ecosystem is called alpha ecological biodiversity. So beta ecological diversity measured two adjacent ecosystems consist the number of species. That means Then it measures the number of species at the two adjacent ecosystems is called beta ecological diversity. Next one, gamma diversity. So it measured all over the species in different types of ecosystems. Measures the all over the species at the different types of ecosystems is called gamma ecological diversity. Right? So biodiversity means the variation of life at various levels of biological organization is called biodiversity. This term is used by Edward Wilson. We can observe our surroundings. There are different kinds of organisms are vary from size, shape, color, food habitat and living habitat, etc. So here biodiversity can be divided into three types. Those are genetic diversity, species diversity and ecological diversity. Genetic diversity means the variations of genes within the species is called genetic diversity. So there are 1,000 varieties of mangoes, 50,000 varieties of rice are present in different types of ecosystems. These species are same genus and same structures, but they vary in the products. They are vary in the products. So if we take another example that is called Rauwolfia vomitoria, it is a medicinal plant which is growing in Himalayan region. So it has high potency and concentration to activate chemical called reserpine. So reserpine used in treatment of high blood pressure. So this plant show greater diversity than the other Rauwolfia vomitoria plants. Next one, species diversity. So here the diversity at species level in a particular area is called species diversity. If we take an example that amphibians in Western Ghats show greater diversity than the Eastern Ghats. So here in these amphibians are same species, but they show greater diversity than other amphibians. Next one, ecological diversity. So the diversity at ecosystem level is called ecological diversity. For example, India has mangroves, forests, rainforests, deserts, wetlands, estuaries, etc. These are all show greater diversity than the other countries such as Norway. So here ecological diversity can include three types of diversities. So there are alpha ecological diversity, beta ecological diversity and gamma ecological diversity. So alpha ecological diversity measures the number of species in a particular ecosystem. beta diversity measured the number of species in adjacent two ecosystems. Gamma ecological diversity measures the all over the species in different types of ecosystems. So this is about the biodiversity and its types.